Chat.
Oh, yeah, right. One day. Up. Active roll.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Straight up. Active. Split F. Mid-rad.
I like this. Not all planes allow you to do that.
Nope. Yeah, that was a real tight mid-rad. Just scoop right around the corner. Split F. Vertical. Split F. Mid-rad.
Leveling. 1 minute. 0. %. 0.
I'm going to probably...
50%. Flaps up.
A little bit of power, a little bit of power.
25%. 0.
No, put that
Whoa.
up.
25%.
Whoa. That's okay.
0.
Oh, that looks so cool coming up.
Gear up.
Somebody crashed or something. I found out. I figured maybe that's cool. Fans or something might be with wow somebody or somebody didn't crash it. Yeah, oh, it's not snow. I mean, with the stains on it, it's been there for probably.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I mean, is it worthwhile for you guys to have these little rods and stuff? Okay. Well, I figured I knew where it was. What's that? Oh, I found one up in this park before. Yeah, I found two actually. But I always bring them back over here and nobody claims when I say, oh, You have a good day. Thank you, sir. Landing. Yeah, I cleared a log jam and hung up in it. Anybody want parts off this? I got you. Yeah, well, this is the only part I found out here.
25%. 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. 25%. 0. 25%. 0.
42, I gotta get the feel for it. It's a prop, everything works fine. Landing gear go back up and down, they're in there nice and tight.
Gear up. 50%. 50%. Acro.
You being reckless?
Reckless? Not you being reckless.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Beautiful.
0.
Cheesy. Tail slide.
25. 50%.
I like giving that too.
That was a little ugly, but I'll take it.
It was still inverted for a portion of time. What
descent. Gear down.
Just look at it.
It is beautiful.
Just look at that. That dollar.
Okay.
Oh, that'd be a hell of a flight.
7, 6, 5.
I will not.
You have to wait quite a more night.
Yeah, I wouldn't risk that.
Especially when I think you'd only gain about 2 minutes.